everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have an ECM Espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it was not heating up, and it basically the new Sirai control box, the one that you see right here. So we already had this machine already heating up for quite a while. It hasn't overheated. It's having really excellent pressure in there, and show you, steamer working perfectly fine, and hot water having an excellent flow as well. So let's do a shot of espresso. Hopefully I pick up the right grand settings for this machine. Otherwise we're gonna see coffee barely dripping. Pouring a little bit too fast, but we're having excellent crema coming out of the shot. Really great water flow as well. Looking good. And yeah, there you have it, working once again. So thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this everything, and thanks for watching.